Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm YouKnowDrea. Let's get on to the video. So I'm here to tell you about 3 wigs that I got off of Amazon that I felt like were the best wigs I've ever ordered off of Amazon. I've ordered 6 so far, and so it's like a half and half, you know. Sometimes you win, sometimes you don't, you know. It's a risk you're taking. Because if you look at some of the reviews on there, some of them don't know how to do the wigs. You know what I'm saying? They don't know how to do the wig. I just be looking at the reviews, and I just be like, that's how you put on the wig, huh? That's how you put on the wig? Ah, it's cute. It's cute. You wear like that? Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna start by talking about this one. It's on my head. I'm looking down at my notes, so that's what I'm looking at. This is the Harmonious Lace Front Human Hair Wig, pre-plucked with baby hair, 150% density. It's a 13x4, and it was $173.79. And to be honest, this is, I think, one of the best wigs I got off of Amazon. It feels like when I used to get my hair pressed when I was young, you know, I used to go like this, and I mean, I didn't go that long. I went like right there, and then, but it feels really good. Like after I pressed it out, it felt so good. Even when I didn't press it out, it feels good. And like, I didn't really, to be honest, didn't experience any shedding until, no. I didn't experience any shedding. Nope. You know, like when you get wigs and the cap is just a little too big, so you adjust the straps. Like I adjusted the straps all the way underneath the back comb. That's where I put them at, because my head is big. It's big.
What's big? It
doesn't have like that. Don't you know? It has that pocket of air. It has a pocket of air. This one doesn't. Like I'm looking it up right now. It doesn't really have a pocket of air, and that's what I like. Like, you give me helmet vibes when they got that pocket of air, and it's like, you know, got a little hump. So if I had to rate this wig 1 to 10, I would say, because I didn't bleach the knots, I'm gonna give it an 8. On to the next. So next week is the I Today. I'm gonna call it I Today. That's what it looked like. I Today. The 613 blonde body wave lace front. It was 20 inches. It was a 13x4, and it was $148.99. Girl, I've never worn a blonde wig before. That was like the first time I ever ordered a blonde wig, and I was so scared. One, because that thing came yellow, baby. It came yellow. Who figured it on? It was giving me McDonald's fry, and I was not having it. No. But you know, since I am an expertise, I was like, I remembered that I had shimmering lights because, you know, I bleached my knots, so I put shimmering lights on it. I was like, let me dip this in shimmering lights and see what it is. And baby, it came out platinum. Platinum, baby. So installing the wig and everything was fine. All that was fine. I didn't pluck, like, you know, I didn't know if I should pluck the wig or not. I really didn't think you should pluck. I didn't pluck it. I didn't pluck the wig. I think I plucked it a little bit, you know, next to the baby hair. But other than that, no, I didn't pluck it that much. I'm trying to remember. No, I didn't really pluck it that much. I just did a little swoop, you know what I'm saying? And it was cute. Y'all can rate it, like the style and stuff that I was doing in my intro and my how to curl your hair with a flat iron video, if you want to look at that. But yeah, that wig was good to me. Okay, and if I had to rate the blonde wig, I would definitely rate it a 9. because it was good. Like I had no problems other than, you know, it did shed. Yeah, it shed. It didn't shed a lot, like it was like a excessive amount, but it shed. I mean, but overall it was good. My friends was really hyping me up, so yeah. On to the next wig. This is my first really good wig on Amazon. So I feel like I haven't really had any back and forth hit to miss. I feel like I just had bad wigs, bad, and then I just had good, bad. But yeah, I had good, I guess, because I had the bob first, and I had the blonde, and then I had this. So this bob is from BLY, whatever that is, I don't know. The vendor BLY. It was short. It's called Short Straight Bob Wigs wig, Brazilian virgin hair, lace front. It was 10 inches, 150 density, and it was $62.99. I love that wig. 150 density. It was really thick, and then like when I pressed it out, it felt like silk. It didn't tangle up. None of my wigs actually tangled up at all. None of the wigs tangled up at all. And I was just like, girl, Amazon really doing me right now. Like I love it here. It bleached well. It didn't take too long to bleach. You know, like sometimes the bleach doesn't even bleach the knots. So like when I bleached the knots, it bleached very well. What else? The wig was really good to me until I ruined it. I tried to dye it red, and I ended up dyeing the lace. You know what I'm saying? Just throw it away. I just threw it away. And if I had to rate the bob wig, I would really give it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10. Straight hair is the easiest to work with. Like if you get a wig off of Amazon, because you see, I don't have any curly wigs in this this review, because all the curly wigs, I haven't found one yet. When I find one, I'm gonna let y'all know. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let y'all know. But I really haven't found one that was like, oh my god, like this is it. Like, no, I haven't found one yet. So when I find one, best believe y'all be the first to know. So, since you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, please. Please. Help me build my following. Please. I watch too much Be Simone. I love it though. Comment down below, you know, what else you want to see. What you want to see. Tell me what you want to see, baby. I'm ready, because I'm trying to jump into this YouTube thing, so yep. Comment what you want to see. You want me to get some more wigs? If you have a wig that you don't want to buy, I'll buy it, and I'll see what it was looking like. I'll see what it's looking like for you. I'm gonna put it on. I might not like it, but I'm gonna put it on. Thank you for watching my video. Again, my name is YouKnowDrea, and I hope to see you in the next one.